Hi, I'm Prathamesh and I'm a BTech graduate turned digital marketer. I currently work as a link prospector in a digital marketing agency remotely. And the main reason I choose digital marketing after engineering is that it's a good blend of creativity and technology, which kind of suited me. Tech jobs were not really a thing for me because they kind of bored me actually. So I decided I would like to do something which is more people oriented and creativity oriented as such. So I chose digital vidya because it was actually referred to me by someone in my network. So and after doing my research I found it to be a good organization to to get into digital marketing per se. uh, so, talking about the course syllabus and other details, I found the coordinators to be very helpful, the experts.